Dear students, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is Arfat Mujib from FEI Higher Secondary Institute. Today I am going to discuss the following topics: dairying, poultry, pisciculture and apiculture. Chapter number 6 and chapter is food production and management. This is my last lecture of this chapter. On this chapter, and I am going to discuss the following terms. First of all, what is the dairying? Dairying क्या होता है? It is the establishment of the it is the establishment of establishment of dairy, and it is business is known as dairy. इसमें क्या हमें डायरिंग में क्या हमें मिलता है, इस प्रोसेस में, इस बिजनेस में क्या होता है? वी मेड द क्रीम्स, वी मेड द मिल्क, वी मेक चीज. इसमें ये प्रोडक्ट्स बनाया जाता है. योगर्ट बनाया जाता है. Such products are made. We get also the yummy thing here, that is the butter. We get the following items when we are in a tent. We are in a tent to have establishment of the dairy farm. In a dairy farm there is a dairying process. It is the business of production of the creams, milk, cheese, yogurt, butter. Other milk products are being produced by this process dairying, and there is a dairy farm. Therefore there should be a dairy farm. In the dairy farm, you know how we get the milk. We get milk by cows, buffaloes. हमें ये दूध कहाँ से मिलता है? काउ से, buffalo से. Goat is also its milk is also a nutritious. Goat, these we get the milk by these cattle. Then milk, therefore they are known as the milch animals. MILCH, milch animals. What are the milch animals? Milch animals are, what are the milch animals? These are the milk producing, milk giving cattle, milk giving animals, and they have economical importance in the dairying, and by the dairying process we make these products, milk and milk products. Here we have various breeds of cows. We have various breeds of the buffaloes also mentioned in your textbook. There is a tables, and you should remember those tables and come in the examination. उनको याद रखो. What are the various breeds? Indigenous breeds of cow, indigenous breeds of buffaloes, and which buffaloes is a high yield of milk. You should go to the textbook and have a table there. Now here is the in the dairying process, and there is we should have, when we have a milk by the milk animals, milk giving animals, then we should properly care them. There should be a caring towards the dairy. In a dairy farm, there are the cattle, and these cattle should have proper feeding. मतलब हमें इनको खिलाना पिलाना है, हमें इनको प्रॉपरली फीड करना है ताकि ये प्रॉपरली ग्रो डेवलप हो, ताकि ये हमें मीट प्रोवाइड कर सकते हैं, दूध प्रोवाइड कर सकते हैं. देयर इज अ फीडिंग वी शुड प्रॉपरली फीड देम, and there is a process. Then there should be you have a dairy farm, and there is a cattle, cow, goat, buffalo, sheep, and you should properly care of their feeding. and those feed should be nutritious, should be rich in nutrients, should be energy giving, should contain proteins, vitamins, minerals, carbohydrates that the cattle feed on. Often we feed our cattle by having fodder, grams, beans, and we have oil cakes. We feed them with we have other feeds. We have grass, uh, various types of feeders, various types of we have a maize. We have a wheat on we have a husk of grains where we feed them. They should be properly feed. There should be feeding be good feeding way. There should be also be a heating. अब हमें खाली इनको फीड नहीं करना, हमें इनके तरफ से ध्यान भी देना है. There should be a proper protection. Their home should be built properly, protect them by enemies, protected by them cold, heat, sunlight, protected them by protect. They should be safe, and they should be their home shelter place should be infected free, bacterial infection free, fungal infection free, virus infection free, that microbial free diseases. Protect, we should protect, and we should protect our cattle. We should clean them, we should wash them properly, and we should have a antiseptic lotions applying on their bodies. We should have some fume spraying chemicals which can kill pests, insects, the ticks, mites, lice जो होते हैं उनके स्किन पे होते हैं, स्किन इंसेक्ट्स, उनको हम उससे फ्री कराएंगे. मतलब जो बहुत सारे उन पे क्या होते हैं वो एज अ पैरासाइट रहते हैं, उनको वो साफ़ करना है, उनका स्किन साफ़ करना, उनको धोना है. उनकी जो शेल्टर प्लेस है वो भी शेल्टर जहाँ पे उनका जो क़याम होता है, उनका ठिकाना होता है बैठने की जगह, वो भी साफ़ होना चाहिए, हाइजीनिक इन कंडीशन होना चाहिए, प्रॉपरली वेंटिलेशन होनी चाहिए, और लाइट भी पड़नी चाहिए. सनलाइट जो होते हैं, लाइट के कारण से टेम्परेचर राइज होता है, जिसके वजह से कुछ बैक्टीरिया वो ग्रो नहीं होते हैं वहाँ पे. वो जो और उनका जो घास फूस हम नीचे डालते हैं उस पर वो बैठते हैं, उनको रेगुलरली वो चेकअप करना है, रेगुलरली वो साफ़ करना है, और मॉइस्चर नहीं होने देना है ज़्यादा. उनके जो शेल्टर प्लेस है वहाँ पे मॉइस्चर नहीं जाना चाहिए. आपको पता है जो उनका एक्सक्रीटा होता है, उनका जो यूरिन होता है उनके बॉडी से जो निकलता है, उसके वजह से वहाँ पे प्रॉपरली अरेंजमेंट होना चाहिए, वहाँ पे प्रॉपरली ड्रेनेज सिस्टम होना चाहिए उनके शेल्टर प्लेस पे, ताकि उनकी कोई भी किस्म की इन्फेक्शन न लग सकती है. दैट शुड बी हीटिंग, वी शुड हीट टुवर्ड्स देम. अगर ये प्रॉपरली नहीं खाता है तो वी शुड विजिट टू अ वेटरनरी, वी शुड कंसल्ट अ वेट, एंड वी शुड हैव अ रेगुलर चेकअप बाय द वेट, about we should have a proper care, we should properly domesticate them in a good way, in a good manner. And there should be also then we should also have the breeding. हमें इनको ब्रीड कराना है ताकि हम इस जो कैटल है, इनकी जो रेस है, ज़ात है, वो हम बढ़ा सकते, इनकी नस्ल को बढ़ा सके. देयर शुड बी अ प्रॉपरली ब्रीडिंग, एंड breeding should have good advantages. They make the continuity of these animals, and if there is a domestication, breeding is also important here. We should properly therefore to have a continuity, because we get milk, we get the meat, we get the milk products. Then when there is a huge production of the cattle in the dairy farm. This is about, and we now is the next poultry. Poultry में क्या होता है? Poultry means domestication of birds. Poultry में क्या होता है? हम birds को we rear, we care, we have a huge stock of birds, we feed them, we heat them, we breed them. Then a poultry and birds, I talk about the chicken, geese, turkey, and we have duck in poultry. As these animals are in poultry when we have a huge population of chicken, geese, turkeys, and ducks, and we have a huge we rear them, we domesticate them properly in a building, in a shelter. We feed them, we heat them, we care them in the poultry, and there should be a proper care of their feedings. We should have for these birds, they often feed on the insect, they often feed on the grains, they often feed on the oil cakes, they feed on the linseeds. There is they feed on the fish, fishes. When we chop the fish, the feed हम उसको कहते हैं feed by animals. फिश फीडिंग हम उसको कहते हैं, रेट फीडिंग हम उसको कहते हैं, फीड हम कॉर्निवोरस फीडिंग कहते हैं हम उसको पोल्ट्री में. वो इस पे क्या होता है, जब when they have a proper feeding manner, then they can grow and develop. There is a economical value of the poultry, and we get a huge amount of we get a flesh by eating these chicken, these ducks in a huge quantity. Then that is the heating में ध्यान देना. वहाँ पर अभी मैंने कहा कि जिस तरह हम डेयरी फार्मिंग में हम देखते हैं, there should be a proper shelter place, protect from the enemies, rodents, rats. हमें इनको बचाना है बाय द डॉग, बाय द कैट, बाय द अटैक ऑफ द कैट. हमें इन दूसरे जानवर को से इनको बचाना. देयर शेल्टर प्लेस शुड बी प्रॉपरली कवर्ड एंड वाटर प्रूफ. देयर शेल्टर प्लेस शुड ऑफन good ventilation. There should be a proper sunlight flow in the shelter towards the shelter of the poultry, and there should be a proper heating arrangement. There should be a proper vaccination, and there should be a proper antibiotic drugs, and there should be a good supply of the medicines. We should have a proper notice of their diseases. इनमें कौन से बहुत सारे जो चिकन में डिजीज होती है, that is the fall disease, fall cholera, chicken pox. There is the Rani-Keatis disease. There are the few diseases. There is the cholera, fall cholera, हम उसको कहते हैं fall cholera. There is the chicken pox. There is the Rani-Keat disease associated with the birds. These are we should protect them, chicken, by these. There is the liver rot disease. We should have the feed जो हम इनको खिलाएंगे वो भी hygienic होना चाहिए, nutrient rich होना चाहिए, and there should be a proper breeding. When there जो hen होता है, hen breeding जो hen होती है, जो hen laying eggs, हम उसको कहते हैं broody hen. That is broody hen that lays egg in 240 to 300 eggs are laid by the hen. Broody, BROAD, broody hen, ऐसे नाम है इसका, broody hen, broody hen, BROODY, broody hen ऐसा नाम है. broody hen जो फार्मर्स पोल्ट्री में पाया जाती है 200 से 300. और ये देखा गया जो hen होती है पोल्ट्री में, ये कब से अंडा देना शुरू करती है, जब ये किस एज तक पहुंचती है. hen at the age of 6 months lays eggs. वो अंडा डालना शुरू करती है जब वो 6 महीने की होती है, फिर वो अंडा डालना शुरू कर. इन पोल्ट्री there is a huge production of the egg by the broody hen. Egg laying hen is known as the broody hen. Number is this. After that the egg is laid in huge quantity, and then this egg, then this hen sits on the egg, then they warm them and hatch them. That is known as the hatching, HATCHING. आजकल मशीन के जरिए हम हैच करते हैं, हम उनको कहते हैं मशीन के जरिए incubators are machines. In order to have they give us a huge number of the hatching of the chick. hatching of chicken. That is another. This is there are the variety of breeds. It is mentioned in our textbook. Variety of the breeds of the fowl, which are famous, which are well known for the egg production and the meat flesh. Then is the another here fisheries जो होती है fisheries pisciculture. Pisciculture, that means fisheries. इसमें क्या होता है, the rearing of, हम इसको कैसे डिफाइन कर लेंगे, the rearing of huge number of fish in in a in a in a in a fish farm, to have rich production of fish meat. हम फिश खाते हैं, फिश जो होती है, जो फिश होती है, fish is rich in proteins. It is rich in proteins. Then the rearing of huge number of fish in a pond, in a water bodies, or we can say simply fish farm, to have a rich production of fish meat, and fish meat is rich in proteins. This is known as the practice of large scale production of the fish. Fisheries pisciculture is the scientific term. Culturing of fish, rearing of, caring of, production of huge number of fish in a fish pond, in a lake, streams, seas, in inland water areas. In farm we make today, where there is a polyculture of fishes. Different species of fish are reared in the same pond, to have different varieties of fishes. As a meat, as a fish product, flesh. For flesh, that is the rich in proteins. We have a diet. It is a rich diet in the South India. Is a famous staple food in Japan. If we talk about the other countries, there are fisheries. इसके लिए क्या होता है, pisciculture के लिए हमें क्या होना चाहिए? There should be a availability of water, and water rich in oxygen, और होना चाहिए no water pollution. आजकल हमारा जो वाटर बॉडीज है वो ज़्यादा पोल्यूट हुआ है, जिसके वजह से फिश का जो नंबर है वो डिक्लाइन होता जा रहा है. एंड वी शुड हैव प्रॉपर केयर टुवर्ड्स आवर एनवायरनमेंट. वी शुड प्रोटेक्ट आवर वाटर बॉडीज बाय द पोल्यूटेंट्स, बाय द इफ्लुएंट्स. We should properly have care about them. There should be no less water pollution. Water should be rich in oxygen, and if there is a high presence of carbon dioxide, then the fish have a suffocation. They have deficient of oxygen, then the fish kill, वो मर जाते हैं. So that in order to avoid this, we should never pollute our water bodies. We don't have the flow of the garbages, sewage directly into the water without treatmentation. That means they decline. जो ऑक्सीजन का सप्लाई वहाँ पानी में होता है वो कम होता है इफिलेंट से, सीवेज से, वेस्ट से, जो जिसके इनडायरेक्ट इम्पैक्ट किन पे पड़ता है? फिश पॉपुलेशन, फिश प्रोडक्शन. इट इज द pisciculture. That is another last term in this chapter is the apiculture, rearing of. We have fish, आपको पता है, लेबियो, रोहिटा, कैटला, हिस्ला. We have a various variety names. अब बुक पे भी बहुत सारे नाम हैं. We have trout, rainbow trout, grass crop. We have a cattle carp. We have a cyprinus. We have a schizothorax. They are found in the Jammu and Kashmir ponds, lakes, streams. We have a various number of the fishes. They are named by different names. We have a mrigal fish and hisla, catla, eel fish. Another, they are found in the ocean. Some are freshwater bodies, maybe पाए जाते हैं. Then is the apiculture here. The apiculture. What is the apiculture here? Rearing of. It is the rearing of honeybees. honey bees artificially in honey bee hives. हम उनको इनमें honey bee hives में उनको rear करते हैं, केयर करते हैं. Their number is raising in order to have in order to have honey. Honey जो है it is rich in nutrients. इसमें क्या पाया जाता है? इसमें पाया जाता है मिनरल्स, इसमें पाया जाता है कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स, बहुत सारे कार्बोहाइड्रेट, इसमें पाया जाता है वाटर, इसमें पाया जाता है एंजाइम्स. Therefore it is a nutritious food. It is a nutritious it is a nutritious diet, nutritious food. That means because of the presence of these types. And they have also a medical value. Honey has also a medical value. It has also a medical value, Ayurvedic value. And it is also an antiseptic in use. Medical value, antiseptic in use. Honey, rearing of honey bees artificially in honey bee. This is a commercial practice these days, and it is a in the entrepreneurship. When today these youth prefer to have this type of business, they rear the honey bees in a large number and have a honey. And also in a honey bee hives we have a bee wax. They have also the much more importance. Also we get this as a byproduct. Also we get honey if we have a apiculture. जो honey का जो scientific name जो है, the scientific name is the honey api. It is the apis. Apis को हम कहते हैं honey bee को apis कहते हैं. apis हमें species name है indica. It is the scientific name of the honey bee, that is Apis indica. Isomol is specific name. Indica, Indian honey bee, is commonly cultured in a apiculture. Culture means rearing, cultivation of honey bees in a large scale in order to have a honey as a nutritious food. We have in the honey bees, we have different species are found in the honey bee comb. Different population they have in the honey apiculture. There is a family. Of one is the drone, second is the workers, और तीसरा होता है queen इनमें. First, second, third. जो ड्रोन होता है मेल होता है, ये क्वीन को फर्टिलाइज करता है, having a mating, then mate, the queen इसको मेट करता है, मेटिंग करता है, तो मैरिज करता है इससे, फिर क्वीन अंडा डालती है. इट इज अ फीमेल. एंड दिस इज द वर्कर जो होते हैं, ये भी फीमेल होते हैं, मगर ये फर्टिलाइज नहीं होते, ये स्टेरल होते हैं, ये बच्चा पैदा नहीं कर सकते हैं. तो ये काम वर्कर्स, इनका काम है खाली द कलेक्शन ऑफ दे आर वेरी बिजी इन द कलेक्शन ऑफ pollen grains प्लस नेक्टर. इन्हीं से बनता है नेक्टर. प्लस दे maintaining and cleaning